Hello guys, this is Miss Juarez. Today we're just going to review multiplication 2-digit by 2-digit. It's something that you did in 4th grade, but it's a review since it's the first week of school. Our objective. We will know how to solve 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication. We will understand the area model and the standard algorithm process, and we will be able to explain how to use the standard algorithm process. Now, what would you need? You're going to need your journal, your composition journal, a pencil, and a pen. I got a blue pen because that will be my pencil. Again, you need your journal, a pencil, and a pen. Okay, once you get your journal, you're going to skip 2 pages. So skip 1 and 2 pages, and you're going to go to the 3rd page where you're going to start your lesson. Your title is going to be 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Okay, now there are 2 methods like we said in our objectives. It's called the area model and the standard algorithm. We're going to start with the area model. Okay, so I'm going to write it in pen, the pen that I told you to get, so you can have it in color, nice and pretty. Okay, the area model. Now, what are we going to multiply? We're going to multiply 27 times 65. Now, before we get to start our multiplication, we need to write how are we going to start this process. So I'm going to write this in pen. Since we are multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits, we make a 2 by 2 box. If I'm going too fast, just pause my video and you could do it as slow or as fast as you need. So we already said we're going to have to draw a box, a 2 by 2 box. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to draw my box right here. Two by 2 means that you're going to have 2 columns and 2 rows. So that's 2 columns right here and 2 rows right there. So we're going to bring these numbers down and put them in expanded form. The expanded form, remember, is when you're adding your 10s and your 1s. So 27. 20 plus 7, and 65. 60 plus 5. Now, I'm going to use my pen to start pointing out what we multiply first. So we're multiplying the first digit top to top. So 60 times 20. If you don't know 60 times 20, well, think 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and then you have 1 and 2 zeros. 1, 2. So this is actually 1,200, right? Then you're going to multiply 60 times 7. So what is 60 times 7? Again, think 6 times 7 is 42, and then that 1 0 is 420. Now you're multiplying bottom number times top number. So we're going to multiply 5 times 20. 5 times 20 is 100. Or 5 times 2 is 10, and don't forget that extra 0. Now 5 times 7 is 35. We're done. So now we need to add all the numbers inside the boxes. So what do we have to do? Again, add. So we're going to put all these numbers down here, and we're adding 1,200, 420. Make sure that you line it up nice and pretty. 135. So we're adding all those digits. We're adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 more, 7. And 1 plus nothing else, it's a 1. So our answer is 1,755. That is our answer. Now, the last step, we're going to use the standard algorithm process. This is a form that your parents know. Your mom, your dad, your grandpa, your grandma. They know this method because it's older. I call it the old method. Don't tell them that, okay? The standard algorithm method they could help you with. And this is the one that you really need to know because now we're 1st graders, so we're going to have to start using this method more. So we're going to line up our numbers. 27 times 65. I'm going to use my pen to remember I'm multiplying my ones first. 5 times 7 is 35. That 3 goes up on the tens. It does not go here yet because I'm not done. I need to multiply my tens first. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. Plus that 3 up there, you're going to add it. Let me put it in a circle so you remember. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. I'm going to cross it out because I already used it. Now I'm going to multiply the 6 on the 10 spot. I'm not going to start here. I need to put a 0 there. It's a placeholder. That's what we called it in 4th grade. It's a placeholder because you're just putting it there to remember that you're not going to put anything on the 1 spot anymore because now you're multiplying the 10 spot. Okay? So now we're going to do 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm going to put the 2 and the 4 goes up here now. I'm going to put in a little circle. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Now I'm done. Now I can add all of this. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So your answer is 1,755. Now, I put the instructions on what work you need to do in your Schoology app. Remember that you have to show your work. You're going to do it behind this page. Let me take it off. I had made a mistake earlier. That's why I did it on a new page. So in your journal, you're going to not skip a page. You're going to do all the work that I told you to do on Schoology in the back page. And that is what you're going to upload. Remember, this is for you to use as an example. So do your problems that you have to turn in on the back and take a picture and upload them to Schoology. If you need any help or you don't understand what to do, remember, send me a text on Dojo or send me a text on my phone and I will help you. Okay? So now that you're ready to go, we met our objective. We know how to multiply 2 digits times 2 digits using the area model and the standard algorithm. See you later.